Okay, this video teaches you how to make the best paper airplane ever. First, fold the paper in half. Then, fold it out. Fold these two corners in. Fold up this corner piece thing, and then fold this up again. And fold this up also again. And turn this around. Put this up here. And then fold this up like this. Fold one wing down. Fold another wing down here. And there you go. It's cool. And it's easy and fast. If your paper airplane for some reason dives down, then you can fold this part up, which increases the weight at the back. So then you fold it up, and they'll make it go more streamlined. And also to make, if you want to make the double-sided, double-winged one, you can do this. Fold it up again, fold these two wings again like this, and like this, and then flatten just this part out, and then flatten down here this part out again, and then here you get a double wing airplane. Extremely cool and extremely fast, accurate, straight, and lots of flight. Although the one with one wing might work much better. Okay, that's about it. Bye.